to change my life more than I could have ever imagined. I started off using it for extended tours and holidays, and basically I enjoyed airstreaming so much. The only part of it that I didn't like was going home at the end, and it was a simple choice of getting rid of that process. You are very much reminded of your place in the world, and that is nature is in charge. But if you respect nature and you don't abuse it, it can return a heck of a lot of great fun and energy, and really, really, really makes you feel like you're alive. The Airstream has definitely become a part of me. It's part of my identity, and now if I'm without it, I feel a part of me is missing. Stop, you slow down, and you see more of the beauty that's around you. You see more of nature. You see more of how wonderful it can be just to be stood on the beach looking out to sea. I'm so happy in my trailer, and I'm so happy with my life with so few outgoings. It's given me the confidence to face my later life in a much more positive way, with much less fear than before, because I now know I don't need a huge pot of money to live on when I get older, because I know that I love living simply. I love this life.